Hey there, everybody. Randy Orton here, life mastery consultant and financial service provider with Nove. Today, Happy New Year. It's January 31st, though, and this is the first video I've gotten out this year. Tried another one, but I messed it all up. So, welcome to my video. It's iCoinPro. I'm going to go back through the boot camp and some of the good features of the boot camp, and maybe we'll touch on the trading portal. So, thank you for watching my video, and let's get started. Basically, the iCoinPro Trade Finder and its trainers provide informational service only and are not responsible for any investments made applying this information. The results described are not typical and are no guarantee of future outcome. Trade at your own risk. But this is how I learned to trade. I've been a journeyman electrician for 25 years. I stumbled onto iCoinPro, and it's been so much fun. It's been such an adventure ever since. Been able to learn a skill and actually apply it, and made several profitable trades. In fact, I don't trade with a lot of money, but I have not lost one yet. All right, this is the iCoinPro Trading Bootcamp. This is what you'll get for free when you sign up. Sign your email and get logged into the iCoinPro Trading Bootcamp. You'll probably be hearing from me shortly if once you get signed up for this. But this is cool. It's an introduction from Justin Clark, one of the co-founders of iCoinPro. He's awesome. I can go ahead and click on that, and you see Justin. There's Justin. He's been with Coinbase for years and years and years, and he's one of like I said, iCoinPro's founders, and still one of Coinbase's consultants. They consult Justin, and they use some of his stuff in some of their software, some of their platforms. So he's legit. He's well known. He knows what he's doing, and he made a great training system here in the iCoinPro Trading Bootcamp and the Micro Profit System. And the first thing you're going to do inside the boot camp and you're going to set up your trading view and your watch list. And these are all super easy to understand videos. They're not that long either. And this video here, short video, is going to teach you how to set up TradingView and set up your watch list inside TradingView. It's right here. You just click on this link. I already have it open. So you can check this out. This is TradingView. You can actually do some paper trading on here for that don't cost you no money if you're wanting to learn how to do it and with no risk involved. Now we're looking at a US dollar tether token here and STG. I'm not quite sure what that stands for or what we're looking at, but we got your Bollinger Bands, these top and lower blue bands, average, and then this would be your MACD lines, which it looks like looks like it's been oversold and possibly downward trending. Anyway, this is TradingView. He's going to set you up. Justin's going to show you how to set all these up so you can watch them, so you can find these good trades before they happen and make a little bit of money if you want to. So next, what are candles? Candles, we can go back here. Candles are these red and green things. They're I don't know if I can find a good example. Okay, here's a wick. They call this little line, this a wick, and I'll explain these a little bit for you. They'll also be explained in the video, but what this means is red was going down, the price of this coin was dropping, green was the price of this coin was going up. And basically these candles are a specific time period. I think I have it set on 5 minutes. So yes, each of these candles is 5 minutes of time. This one is saying, at the beginning of the 5 minutes, the price of the coin started here, ended up going clear up to here at one point in the 5 minutes, and then the price of the coin ended down here. And now the green ones are similar. I don't know if I don't see one with a candle necessarily. Uh, so this one would have started here somewhere, actually dropped down to here, but then still uh, finished the 5 minutes above where it started the 5 minutes. So um, it actually, the price of the coin went up in that 5 minute period, even though it looks like it went down, but it went back up. So those are candles, wicks. That's how that works. So your first trading tool, what you're going to learn here is you're going to learn how to set up uh, your Bollinger Bands. That'd be your first trading tool. So basically, um, it gets you to identify where your squeezes and your dips are. We can. So in lesson number 4, you're going to learn your first trading tool. It's one of the things you're going to learn how to set up in your charts. It's going to allow you to recognize when to possibly make a good trade, or when to maybe let it pass and wait and see what that coin pair is going to do in the future. But this is your first trading tool. He's going to show you how to set this up in TradingView and how you could use that to paper trade, just to learn just how you get started, get confident, and before you start investing money or put money in to an exchange and start trading real time. Lesson number 5, you're going to learn how to buy the dip the right way. We'll go back here to TradingView, and let's see if I can find an example of a dip. So you could call this here. Really, it's over here though. I would not call this 3 dips. It looks like 2 dips, and then the next one didn't quite make it below the Bollinger Band. So I wouldn't have. This would have been a really risky trade right here. You could have did it. You could call that 3 dips, I suppose. You could did it, and then if you sold off here, you'd have made a slight profit. But yeah, I don't suggest that. I wouldn't suggest that. Compound returns, the 8th wonder of the world. Compound returns is just reinvesting. People are not really reinvesting, but putting the money back in your trading. So if you make a little profit, you know, instead of pull it out, use that and keep building, so you can make bigger and bigger trades every time. That's going to make your profits bigger and bigger at the same time. You have to start with a lot. I started with $50, up $20, and then it's just fun. It's fun learning. Maybe someday I'll put some more money in. Maybe someday I'll just build this to a huge fortune. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But it's really fun. It's exciting. It's fun, and it's the easy way to learn. It's a cheap, easy way to learn, and something you can do on your spare time. Learn a skill, make some extra money instead of sitting on the couch watching the negative news or whatever they want to put in front of you, and just wake up the next day, do everything again, go to work, wash, rinse, repeat. You don't get out of that life. It's not good. Start enjoying yourself, and start doing something that's fun, and or something that's going to get you to the life you actually want to live. The next steps is really join an iCoinPro. And once you join iCoinPro, you get a lot more benefits. You get to use all the trading software that's exclusive to iCoinPro. Nobody else has this stuff, and they basically find trades for you before they happen. You don't have to look for them. You don't have to be watching for them. All you gotta do is pay attention to the software. It'll find the trades for you. Go make the trade, uh, collect your profits, and done deal. And have a fun day. Anyway, those would be the next steps. Get signed up. And there's some really great options as if you want to become an affiliate, and you can get paid so many ways as an affiliate of iCoinPro, but that's totally another video. The boot camp, you're gonna get some bonus content, how to set up TradingView alerts. So basically, you can get alerted to possible coins when they're moving big and there's a lot of movement. You can get an alert, and so it tells you to start watching it. Because when the coins are going up and down a lot, it's a great time to make some money. And some bonus content. Like I said, you're gonna learn how to paper trade. He's gonna show you how to set up paper trading on TradingView, and so you can play around with some fake money. I think it's like $200,000 you can play around with, and see what you can build that mass fortune to, and just gain some confidence on what you're doing. That way you can put in some real money and trade full time. That's where it's at. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to buy cryptocurrencies. There's all kinds of ways to do this. I personally use Cash App to buy buy Bitcoin on Cash App, and then I can send it to Binance US, the platform I actually trade on. It's super easy to do. There's no risk involved. Um, this is not a crypto scam. You're not sending your money somewhere. You're actually sending it to your own account. It's in your own control at all times. You withdraw it. You do whatever you want with it. I don't want to see it. I want to hear about your wins. That's all I want to know. But anyway, I show you how to send and receive cryptocurrencies, like I just discussed, how you can buy them and then send them to your wallet. You just want to make sure that when you send cryptocurrencies, you're sending it to the correct wallet, Bitcoin to Bitcoin, Ethereum to so on and so on. Because if you don't, if you make a mistake, you will probably most likely lose your crypto. If it sends it, it'll probably be gone. There's no way to get it back. I'm going to teach you. He's going to teach you. Justin's going to teach you how to use wallets, and basically, it's a lot of when you're trading bitcoins and a lot of other coins. There's a lot of fluctuation in price, and how to use your wallet. Like for instance, if you're done trading a specific coin pair that's a Bitcoin or a two coin pair that's actually both are fluctuating up and down. The price of both coins are going up and down a lot. Um, you're going to want to trade them into something that's more stable, like a US dollar coin. There's always a dollar. So we'll trade them back at the end of the day, trade your profits back. And that way you don't wake up and Bitcoins drop to, $10,000 and you lost all your crypto overnight. So it's just smart. It's a smart way to keep track of your wallets and your funds and your profits. Of course, a glossary of terms, and some safe links that you don't have to worry about. Um, uh, Coinbase, Binance US. This is like what I trade on. I know people that trade on Coinbase. Binance.com is a good one if you're not in the States. Coinbase Advanced, TradingView is what we showed you before. You can trade on there. And then, of course, the iCoinPro forum is a safe place to hang out as well. So that about sums it all up for the iCoinPro Trading Bootcamp. Now, if you sign up for iCoinPro, there is so much more you can see and do, so much more training. Love the training. Whether you're a beginner trader or you've been doing this a long time, um, you're going to learn some stuff in here. You're going to learn some trading, and I've had a lot of seasoned traders look at the software inside the micro profit system and just be blown away. Nobody else has this. If they do have it, you're not getting it for what Justin's offering it for. So this is awesome. I can't really say enough about this and the training. Yeah, I learned so much, and I continue to learn, and it's just like I said, it's just a lot of fun. And guys, it's a lot of fun. And here's a little peek. Here's the trading portal, another exclusive toy to the iCoin Pro members. This is kind of what I explained before: the Buddy Coin Crawler, Trade Finder, RSI Spy, the MACD Cross Boss, MACD Tracker. And this is another way to paper trade. Um, Guys, these find trades for you and make it really easy. So they do a lot of the work for you. So you can just sit back, you can play around, you can make some money, or you can make some play money and just kind of learn how it works. Here's a great example of Dogecoin. made a couple dips here, went back up, and then just dipped up, dipped up. Now, if you'd have, 1, 2, 3, if you'd actually, you're watching this coin, you could have made money here, here, here. All these dips, you could have made money, and then you could have made a really good profit trading here, and then selling here. Yeah, I wouldn't have waited that long. Personally, I'd have probably tried to sell there, probably right around there when I got the average line, and then maybe would have purchased there. I don't know, but most likely waited until it came out again there, and then as you can see, just in that short period of time, you could have made a nice little profit. Went from 0.078 to 0.08. So 2 thousandths. It might not seem like a lot, but it's quite a bit if you have a bunch of these coins. All right, everybody. Well, thank you for watching my video today. I appreciate you all so much. Please subscribe to my channel, Randy Orton Biz, and stay tuned for some more great content. I appreciate you all. Peace.